Hey y'all, hey, welcome back. I'm going to transition this hand towel using this fabric today. Let's get it. So what I want to do is start by cutting a strip of this fabric off. I normally measure the width and the length that I want it to be, and then I always cut a little bit extra. As you can see, it's wider. I'd rather have too much fabric than not enough. So I'm going to trim a little bit, and I'm going to basically take my time and even this out some. Now I'm going to place it across the towel, and I'm going to fold it and look at the design and see if this is one that I like. So once I fold it in on both sides, that's going to be basically where I will be hemming it. And I'm going to cut some of the side off, and I'm going to fold that as well. And then I'm going to clip it in place or pin it in place however you prefer. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. This is how it looks, and then we're going to sew around it on the machine with a straight stitch. Of course, you always start with the back stitch, and you're going to go all the way around the perimeter. Once you get to each corner, just lift your presser foot up and pivot, and just go around, and you're going to be done. You're going to make your little cute custom hand towel, kitchen towel, whatever type of towel you want to make. Okay. Okay, ain't she cute, girl? We done. I'm gonna fold her up right quick and be extra. Hold up, watch this.